Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome, my name is Jasmine. If you're new here, today we're going to be doing an unboxing for the November box, and it's actually harvest. I really like this theme. It is so cute. I love the fall. Maybe that's why I like it so much. So we're going to be opening the November premium box. To me, I was totally shocked when I opened it because I only knew one spoiler, and as you know, I share spoilers on my channel, and now to have more than 2 or 3 spoilers for one box has been totally unknown, at least for me, for many months or years and now. So I was shocked with the items that I received. So today we're going to be doing the unboxing. Some of the items you're gonna see me trying them out, and that's why I actually opened it, because I wanted to actually try it out, so it won't be an unboxing and also try out box. So this is this month box. Harvest is the theme, and the variation that I got is number 5. As you know, we haven't been getting that many variations for premium, so probably we're going to be getting similar items. And the retail value for this box is $273. And as you know, the cost of this box is $35. So let's see if this one is premium. And I would say premium because to me, premium has to be like, whoa, it's really good ultimate box. And this is a box that was sent to me for PR, but of course, this is all my opinion, what I think about it. And let's go ahead and dive in and see what I received. As you know, it was going to be choice, and it was going to be between the palette or the Smashbox powder. I think I'm going to show you a picture. I went to Sephora and I actually got to see it closed up, and I'm like, you know what, I should have picked that one. I also selected the palette. So this is Ilia Mask. I don't know how you pronounce it, but this is a new brand coming to Boxycharm, and I love the packaging. I was very impressed how heavy this palette feels, even though it's not a huge palette, but it feels very heavy. And this is how it looks like. I wish the mirror was a little bit bigger, and I wish that the names was actually printed in the printed underneath, but it's not. It just came in this paper. So that's the only thing that kind of threw me off. But then feeling how heavy it is, I'm impressed with that. I love the packaging. I love the details on the curves from the sides and on the back. This is how it looks like. So I did my eye makeup look using this palette, at least for the top part, and I was very impressed with these shades. Of course, this one you could just pack it on, which is the darkest brown here. And this one I was like, you know what, it's not gonna be too strong, or it might not come off at all. But I was so impressed how it came off. I didn't need to add anything else, so I'm liking that shade right there. I really like that shade. Colorful purple pink tones. So I went back to this palette, Hip Thought. I really wanted to play more with this palette. I love those shades. I like how this came out. And then for that gold tone, I played with this shimmer one that we got from Ilia Beauty. This is a private jet, but the one that I used was shimmering sunset only to give it that shimmer, and I really like how this came out. So I'm going to share that with you guys, how I did this eye makeup look on this video further along. So yeah, so how much does this palette retails for? This palette retails for $50. I'm telling you guys, this thing is really heavy. I was shocked how heavy that is. So let's go ahead, now that we already seen what was coming for the choice, now let's go ahead and see what else is on this box. And you're gonna see me trying out the liner. So I got some lip liner duo from Real Her. I'm very impressed with this brand. The last thing I got from this brand was brow pencils. So I wish I got brow pencils again. Of course, a lot of us don't like duplicates, but I really like those pencils from Real Her. So this one is different. This one is a lip liner duo, so you're going to be getting 2. And the retail price for these are $25. In the website, I have not seen duo, only seen them individually. So I don't know if this is something new. And I always love the details from this brand. This one is called I Am Confident, which is the one that I use. And then the other one is Be Yourself, Be Real Her. How cute is that? Here you see the shades, and What I like about these lip liner versus the one that I got last month is that these have such a fine tip that it made it easier for it to be more precise. So I am confident, which is that line there, and it's the one that I'm wearing. And then Be Yourself, Be Real Her. It is such a cute, pretty color too. Look how cute that color is. I feel like these tones are very similar to the one we got last month, and that was from Ilia Beauty, but these are much finer. The tip is a lot thinner, and I like that. So that one reaches for $25. Well, let me do the lipstick. The lipstick, I got Ilia, another new brand, to Boxycharm. This is a brand that I've been hearing great things about it. You can find this brand at Sephora. The one we received for this box is this is Ilia Beauty, the color Black High Impact lipstick. This lipstick retails for $28, and guys, this lipstick has so many great claims for this. And the shade that I got is called Amber Light. It's not coming off there, and this is how it looks like. I love more liquid lipstick, but I don't mind this kind of lipstick. I really like the shade. I feel like it's a shade that I could wear every day, and I do like that it's full coverage, and it does say that just one swipe is just you need. So it does feel stronger once you're applying it. It's not that too super soft, so maybe that's why it's full coverage, because it's much dense, at least in that sense, but it doesn't feel dense on my lips. It does feel soft, and I don't know, it does feel very different. So that one retails for $28. Then I got Dose of Colors. I'm not sure what I think about this, because it's just a single shadow. This is how it came in the box, and the shade that I got is Lock and Key. I love the details. I really love this brand, and this is just a single shadow. Guys, I'm going to show you. I do like that it comes with the mirror, and look at the sparkle on that. So let's go ahead and swipe it. Oh my god, look how intense that shade is. Look at that color. So this is the shade that I got, and this retails for $20. Grown Alchemist, at first I was thrown off by this when I got this from FabFitFun, because of the packaging seemed pretty plain, pretty simple. But let me tell you, that now is my go-to moisturizer. I love that moisturizer. I love this brand, and it could be very pricey. So the one I received this time is called a Detox Night Cream, and this is a peptide 3, but this is a Detox Night Cream, and I'm excited to try this out. This one retails for, guys, $125. This has a lot of peptides. It's a blend of peptides, vitamins, hyaluronic acid, and essential omega fatty acids. So while you go to bed, let this work for you while you're sleeping, with all those great ingredients in there. So I'm excited to try this out, and this is from Grown Alchemist, and like I said, guys, this is $125, so I'm going to try it out to see. And the last item that I received is something interesting, something that I thought it was just another set of brushes or a duo. I don't know if I'm excited about it, but once I started reading about it, I am excited for this. Cosmetics, we have received this brand, I believe, for Boxylux maybe a year ago. This one is something different, and I'm excited for it because it's something that I can't wait to try it out. And this is a skincare brush set. This one retails for $25. I had two different type of masks. You could apply the exfoliating mask using this texture type brush on this section, and the other type of mask that you want to that is hydrating or anything that is not exfoliating, you use the flat side of the brush, and you're gonna put that on these areas alone. So we have the other brush, and this brush is actually for you to use every day. This is for you to apply your cleanser. I love this. This is a way for you not to have a lot of contact with your hands, which I don't mind at all, but this is such a great idea for you to apply a tool. to use a tool for your routine, for cleansing and for applying a mask. I love that, and it's going to give you that spa feel, I believe. So I did not know I needed this, but actually I kind of wanted it, so I'm glad this actually came in the box, and I love how this feel. When I was checking in the website, the only one that I've seen in the website is this one. I have not seen this one in the website. This one retails for $10. So since this is a set of $25, and this one probably retails for $15. So I am glad with the items that I received. I don't know if this feels like a premium box to me because of this item here, but everything else I actually enjoy, and I'm glad that I received. I love this brand. I cannot wait to try something else, and that's for $125 with all the ingredients. I'm excited to try this. I'm excited to try this as well, and I really like the palette. I like the lipstick and the liner. So my take about this, for $35 for a premium box, I wish there was something else besides this product here, but with everything else I am happy with this box. So guys, let me know what you think about this premium box in the comment section. Thank you guys once again. I hope you like it, and subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to check out my base box too. So until the next video, bye.